Hey, what's up everybody? This is Justin with Tuner Expressions Auto Detailing, and before you see the brand new microfiber line of GlassParency. As you can tell, the color is GlassParency's colors. So this just came out about 2 days ago, and we just received our order today. Wanted to do a quick unboxing, introduce everybody to them, why we're excited about them, and we'll do a review at a later date. So this is just my initial impressions. So they came out with 6 new products. They came out with 3 different edgeless towels. They came out with a drying towel, and they have 2 different applicator pads, just different colors. So we'll start from the left over here. This is the mint gray 360 GSM Edgeless. It's extremely soft, very soft, and this isn't going to scratch any finish. Any professional detailer knows that putting on a product, even just washing a vehicle, if it's not a good quality towel, it'll end up scratching the surface. So this would be an excellent exterior towel. It's like a multi-use towel, so you could use this on the inside as well. But that'd be great for removing coatings too. And that, I believe, that retails currently at $1.29. So it's very affordable. Applicator pad. So these go for $1.89. They come in orange and gray, and also pink and gray as well. And what's different about this is a little bigger than some of your normal applicators. And if you listen, so the sponge that's on the inside is wrapped in plastic. So if you're putting graphene coating, ceramic coating, or any type of coating or any liquid on this, and you're holding the opposite end, you're not gonna get it, wet. It's not gonna bleed through. So something that you don't necessarily see with a lot of applicator pads. This too is very soft and would definitely get the job done. Right below it here, this the best way that I could describe this, it's kind of like the Rag Company Creature. So essentially, you have 2 sides. You have a low nap side and a larger nap. Very soft. Once again, edgeless, and that'll be good. I mean, for taking off the coating, doing a final wipe. If you're putting on any type of detail sprays, this is going to be a perfect towel for you. And the last product that we have is their twist loop drying towel. It's 1200 GSM. Goes for about $14.95. Has 2 different sides. You got the orange, you have the gray, and it's a 40 by 20. So it's very rectangular. For a drying towel, you really don't see a lot of 40 by 20s. But if you want to take this lengthwise and put it on like a big hood and just drag it, this would definitely do the job. So, feeling it, and I like the kind of terry cloth. These towels usually are really good, and best thing that I could compare it to would be like a Griot's Garage towel. So that's the lineup. Outside of I think the only one that we're missing, that we didn't get the Snow White 360 GSM. This is a 460 GSM. This is the double-sided. That's only 20 cents more, so that goes for $1.49 right now. So there you have it. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try it? Are you going to stick with your towels? We use a lot of the Rag Company towels, as well as Chemical Guy towels. Honestly, they're probably all really good, but as far as how soft these things are, these are probably some of the best edgeless towels that I've actually seen. And like I said, the Rag Company Creature is probably the closest thing that I could compare this specific towel to. But for $1.49, $1.29, even a $15 towel, I think the woolly mammoths and stuff are going for like over 40 bucks. And this little sucker is going to get the job done. So, I mean, we bought a whole bunch of these things for our mobile detailing van, and I think they're going to be great. Thanks for joining us. I hope you liked the video. Our YouTube channel is still growing, so please like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and I'll get you the answers. Other than that, look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Have a good one.